A. K Learning Zone has released full course of HTML and CSS for all. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the language used to develop web pages. It is not an actual programming language but a markup language. Hypertext is text that has a link embedded into it that points to a different page or website. Mainly HTML is used for structuring a web page and making a foundation. Basically, HTML is the backbone of web pages. All the websites you see on the web are using HTML up to some extent. Every web developer or web designer has to learn HTML to begin with. The latest version of HTML is HTML5, which is really modern and powerful. It works awesome along with CSS3. HTML is the most important language on the World Wide Web. Every page on the web has some HTML inside it. You cannot escape HTML when it comes to the web. Some might not consider it as an actual programming language because it is a markup language. But it is very important for websites and web applications. The advantages of HTML are: firstly, it is easy. It is super easy to learn even for school kids. Second, syntax, the code is clean to write and follow. Thirdly, simplicity, the coding structure is very simple to understand. Fourthly, free, it is free for the use, which means you don't have to pay for anything. Fifthly, industry standard, accepted by all modern browsers like Chrome, Safari, Opera, and others. Sixthly, independent, it is a platform-independent language, which means it can work across all devices. Seventhly, embed media, easily embed audio, video, photos, and other types of media files. Eighthly, hypertext, link to any page internal on a website or external on different websites. Ninthly, community, it has a huge community online if you want any kind of support. Tenthly, templates, don't want to code from scratch, then there are templates available for everything and for free. Now let's talk about CSS. CSS handles the look and feel part of a web page. Using CSS, you can control the color of the text, the style of fonts, the spacing between paragraphs, how columns are sized and laid out, other more. The advantages of CSS are: first, CSS saves time. You can write CSS once and then reuse the same sheet in multiple HTML pages. You can define a style for each HTML element and apply it to as many web pages as you want. Secondly, easy maintenance. To make a global change, simply change the style, and all elements in all the web pages will be updated automatically. Thirdly, global web standards. Now HTML attributes are being deprecated and it is being recommended to use CSS. So it's a good idea to start using CSS in all the HTML pages to make them compatible with future browser. Fourthly, platform independence. The script offers consistent platform independence and can support latest browser as well. You will get the full course on www.akdigitalworld.com, or there is a link in description. You can follow it to go there. It's for you. Stay connected with us so you get to know about our all courses with notes when they get released, and share this video to all. Thank you.